Hey guys, welcome back. So we are working on the Himalayan today, and today we'll be cleaning the bent pipe and the exhaust. As you can see, there's a lot of black erosion on this. Okay, so today we'll be using some harpic and steel wool. So before you start with the process, you should be aware that you should keep in mind that your bent pipe should cool down and should not be hot. Yeah, so let us just start with. So to start with, you should just put some harpic onto your steel wool and also on the part where you want to clean it. And it's very simple. You just have to keep on scraping it. Yeah, you have to run over with this process for around 2 to 3 times to see the full.
I wouldn't treat you that way. No, I've been running, can't catch up.
Yeah, so you should repeat this process 2 to 3 times for good results.
Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. All of the times I've been there, times I came through, I'd meet you anywhere if it brought me closer to you. Distance is killing me, you make it so hard. Won't you let me love you, babe? Used to be optimistic, these days I just don't know. Pick a fence in the valley, I hope it's losing its hold. You know them other girls won't love you like I do. Can't afford to give up on you. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know.
Okay, so after you are done scraping, you just have to splash some water and you can already clearly see the difference.
Chasing waterfall.